The numeral 1 is visually presented as a fundamental symbol. This symbol represents a singular quantity or unit. The concept of 1 is often paired with a single, distinct object. This pairing helps to visually reinforce the meaning of the number. For example, 1 apple can represent the quantity of 1. This simple representation is a foundational element in understanding numerical concepts. The scene visually equates a single apple with a $1 bill. This establishes a direct relationship between the quantity 1 and the monetary value of $1. The apple represents a singular, tangible item. The dollar bill represents an abstract unit of economic value. The numeral 2 visually represents the concept of the number 2. This number signifies a quantity consisting of 2 discrete units. These units are typically identical or considered as a pair. Visually, this is demonstrated by displaying 2 of the same object side by side. The scene visually represents the quantity 2 using toy cars. These 2 toy cars are then replaced by 2 $1 bills. This substitution demonstrates the numerical equivalence between 2 and $2. The visual association reinforces the concept of quantity applied to currency. It clarifies that 2 as a number corresponds to a specific monetary value. This representation aids in understanding the practical application of numbers in financial contexts. The numeral 3 is displayed as a symbolic representation of the quantity 3. Below the numeral, a collection of 3 identical objects is presented. These objects visually exemplify the concept of 3 through concrete examples. This arrangement reinforces the association between the abstract symbol and its corresponding quantity. The scene visually represents a direct equivalence. 3 colored pencils are initially presented. These pencils are then replaced by 3 $1 bills. This substitution demonstrates a numerical relationship. It also highlights a monetary relationship. The exchange visually equates 3 items with $3. The numeral 4 is presented visually. 4 identical objects are displayed to represent the quantity. These objects are arranged in a grid pattern for clear representation. This arrangement reinforces the concept of 4 through visual association. The scene visually equates 4 erasers with the numerical value of 4. The erasers are then replaced by 4 individual $1 bills. This substitution reinforces the direct relationship between 4 and $4. The visual transformation clarifies the concept of quantity equaling monetary value. The number 5 is visually represented. 5 identical objects are displayed. These objects are arranged in a specific, recognizable pattern. This arrangement reinforces the concept and quantity of the number 5. 5 marbles are presented as a representation of a numerical quantity. The marbles are then replaced by a $5 bill. This substitution creates a direct visual link between a number and its equivalent monetary value. The comparison helps to understand the concept of value representation. The numeral 6 is visually presented. 6 individual objects are displayed alongside the number. These objects are identical in appearance. The objects serve as a concrete representation of the quantity 6. This visual aid helps to associate the abstract number with a tangible amount. The concept demonstrates how a specific amount of money can be represented using different denominations. In this case, the amount to be represented is $6. Initially, 6 individual dollar buttons might be displayed. These 6 buttons are then replaced with a $5 bill. Additionally, a $1 bill is added to the $5 bill. This shows that $6 can be represented as one $5 bill and one $1 bill. The number 7 is visually displayed as the focal point. 7 identical objects are presented alongside the number. These objects serve as a concrete representation of the quantity 7. This visual aid reinforces the understanding of numerical value. The goal is to represent a total value of $7 using different denominations. Initially, 7 individual stickers are used to symbolize $7. These stickers are then replaced with actual currency. A $5 bill is introduced as one component of the $7. 2 $1 bills are added to the $5 bill. The combination of one $5 bill and 2 $1 bills equals the desired $7. The number 8 is displayed prominently on the screen. Following the number 8, 8 identical objects are shown. Next, the number 9 appears, indicating the subsequent quantity. 9 identical objects are then displayed, corresponding to the number 9. Finally, the number 10 is presented, followed by a group of 10 identical objects. The scene visually represents numerical values, using corresponding US dollar bills. The number 8 is represented by a $5 bill and 3 $1 bills. This combination visually demonstrates the composition of $8. The number 9 is shown as a $5 bill and 4 $1 bills. This illustrates the monetary equivalent of $9. Finally, the number 10 is represented by a single $10 bill, simplifying the visual representation.